Welcome back to Main Course with Annie, the kitchen edition. Thank you for joining me on my kitchen renovation. This week's episode, I'm going to show you how to transform the biggest part of your kitchen, the cabinets. You probably go into your cabinets at least 30 times a day, so I'm going to show you how to transform those cabinets using paint. Here's a tip for you. Before you remove the cabinet doors, take a piece of painter's tape, put it on the back of the door and in the cabinet, and label them so you know which door goes to which cabinet. I received several quotes to get these cabinet doors painted, and it was always a few $1,000s. So I invested in a paint sprayer. This is going to save me money and give me the professional results. I'm going to use a degreaser on these cabinets, but if you have a lot of built up grime and oils and greases, you're going to want to use a TSP. This is the most important part when you're painting your kitchen cabinets at home. I'm going to use a palm sander to really rough up that surface, and then I'm going to go back and use a sanding sponge to get in the crevices. We really want the paint to stick to these cabinet doors because you go in them so often, you don't want to spend all this time and have the paint chipping away. These cabinet doors are perfectly sanded. I'm going to use my rag and wipe up all of the dust. Make sure that you get all the dust from the corners because the paint sprayer is going to kick up a lot of air and you don't want that dust mixing with your paint on your door. Choosing a cabinet paint color is no easy task. I wanted a classic, timeless color, so I chose Clark & Kensington's Dark Diversion. Just wait till you see the color. This navy blue is going to look so elegant in the kitchen. Let's get all our gear on and use this paint sprayer. Most cabinet door paint takes at least 2 weeks to cure. I know that seems like a lot, but I tell you it's worth it. You have to make sure that the paint completely dries before you put it back on your cabinet. Painting the kitchen cabinets myself saved me a lot of money. Keep watching as I tackle another part of my kitchen project. You won't want to miss this transformation.